Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Eco and Crafts and this is another episode of Crafting Mondays. If any of you have been kind of following along with the series, you'll have realised that I missed a week last week and I'm really sorry for that. We're currently in the middle of the coronavirus outbreak here in the UK and I work in healthcare in the UK and it's just very busy at the minute. So I'm trying my best to keep up with my arts and crafts for my own sanity and hopefully to give you guys something to do. But I'm not going to be able to, I don't think, to get videos out with the same frequency as it was before. So I am sorry about that, but I'm doing my best. And if you see me looking gradually more and more haggard and scraggly, that's why. But today I've got a video on how to do fabric printing and I've done it for this duvet cover, which hopefully I'll put a picture up here. Really pleased with how it went. So if you want to learn how to make your own stamps, I did a video a couple of weeks ago on how to make stamps suitable for fabric printing, so I'll put a card up here so you can check that out on one of my other videos. Otherwise I'll show you how I went about doing it. So equipment wise, I've got my stamps that I made that I cut out of just some flat pieces of lino. For the colour I used acrylic paint, so this is System 3 Prussian Blue Hue, and to make it fabric compatible, because otherwise it goes really crispy and hard, you need to use modulating substance so it can be applied to the fabric. So I use the Liquitex fabric medium. They come in little boxes. You need to use 50-50 this and your acrylic paint, but it makes it more versatile with your paint because it means you don't only just have fabric paints and normal paints. You know, I can just use this acrylic paint as normal acrylic paint for the rest of my arts and crafts. I got a brayer to apply the paint nice and evenly onto my stamps. I'd really recommend you get one of these. And then otherwise, I just used my little stamp set just to push down onto the lino cuts once I had it on the fabric as well. For the fabric I got a duvet cover, I think it's £30 from Primark, 100% cotton, sustainably sourced, and it didn't come in any plastic packaging, so I thought that was really good and really affordable because I think often ethically sourced or 100% cotton bedding in particular can be so expensive. But otherwise, hopefully you find this video useful. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, or if you've given this a try, let me know how it went. Hopefully we can keep ourselves busy during this lockdown period. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I've just unpacked it and as you can see it's super crumpled up and it won't stamp very well if it's like this, so I'm going to have to start by giving everything an iron before I start. I've been using some chalk to measure out kind of where I want my bits to be, and I'm making sure that the minute they're all the same sort of distance from this line at the bottom here. So I'm just going to make the rest of my paint up and then we'll start printing. So I've just mixed 50% of the Prussian Brew with 50% of the Liquitex, so it's quite a nice consistency here. I'm just going to roll it out with the brayer on this sort of glossy magazine, not sponsored by Philadelphia in case you're wondering. We'll do a few test pieces to make sure it's coming out alright and it's the right consistency, and then we'll pop it straight into fabric. Also, just to say, just to stop it going through to the other side, I've got bits of thick cardboard between the two layers. Straight down, and then I've got my little presser here, but you just need to use something to provide quite even pressure across and make sure that you've got pressure at some point on all areas. And now that's done, you just need to lift it straight up. And this is the finished piece. I'm so pleased with how it's come out. I think the two boat designs go really well together. I love how each piece is unique and the way it's been rolled on and printed makes it look like a little watercolour brush strokes. I'm so happy with how it is. Hopefully you guys have found it pretty straightforward to follow. Again, let me know what you think in the comment box below, and if you've got any questions as to practicalities or how to do it, I'll do my best to answer them. But otherwise, I'll see you next time.